Those are cucumbers. On the other side of them are peas, and there's peppers right there. Got trellises on this side for the cucumbers to go across because they're super aggressive. These are Roma tomatoes here, peppers down the middle. There's some oregano and also basil, and then there's thyme over here, and then there's green peppers again here, and more Roma tomatoes. And then I have red, white, and yellow onions there. And then I have corn here. I have 2 phases of corn. I planted this phase later. This phase has already started tasseling. There's the silk for the ears. It's already starting. And then underneath that I have zucchini growing in there. Potato plants out here. Sweet potato plants over here. And then here I have green beans, sunflowers, and 2 watermelon plants that absolutely took over. And there is a watermelon right down there. You see it right there. And then also I have blueberries in here, and also cantaloupe. There's cantaloupe down in there too. Everything has just gone ape, just crazy. And there is yet another watermelon right there, if you can see it right there. Expanded this from 3 bins to 4 this year, and it's absolutely been a gangbusters. And there's the sunflowers there. So I tried to do some companion planting on things here, and it seems to just, everything's just going gangbusters. As you can see, the peas here, the pea plants, the cucumbers are gonna probably fight them out here. There's peas up here, there's peas down here, and you can see the cucumbers have just taken over everything. And the size of these leaves are just massive. There's my hand, and there's the size of the leaf there. So you can see my hand size there, and that leaf, giant. So garden's doing great. Wish me luck. Have a great day.